Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mary of Coaching with Mary, and I'm glad you're able to join me today.
This is the second part of the video about the story of the Mexican fisherman and the American investment banker. The story essentially talks about the importance of prioritizing what is important in our lives, and rest is one such thing that we should prioritize, especially this year.
If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button down below this video and turn on notifications so that you don't get to miss any new uploads from me. This story instructed me in a lot of ways about rest and the value of rest. Of course, the man worked. The Mexican works as a fisherman, so it's not as if he's a lazy man. He has his work, which he takes seriously. He had woken up early enough to go do the fishing and caught some fish. So it's not about laziness, but taking time off to understand about balancing your body and balancing your mind. Very important. Our African ancestors understood it very well, and they did the little work, and the rest of the day was spent in the village square, gisting with their friends, dancing in a festival, visiting some friends, and there was this communal living that helped them to grow together, and they grew to quite old ages, devoid of diseases. When I review what we're doing right now with this capitalistic system that the world has really become now, we acquire a lot of wealth and lose our health in the process, and then we try to use the wealth we have gained to gain back the health that we have lost. It's quite counterintuitive if you ask me. I mean, more than 10 years ago when I read this story, it helped me to reprioritize my own life and to better organize what I really want to achieve with my life. So yes, it's important, like I mentioned in the New Year video, that you plan time to rest. One of the benefits of rest is that rest brings the body to a biochemical balance within, homeostasis. This biochemical balance within the body helps the body to repair and recover cells during illnesses, flu, malaria. It helps the body to repair and recover any attack on the body. Where this biochemical balance is lacking, which a lot of the times is due to stress. We are a stressed world right now. Our world is stressed. We live stressed lives in the name of hustling. The body is not able to recover quickly enough, and so the disease and illnesses can linger for a long time. And so many diseases of different names have cropped up into the world owing to this lack of balance. So rest is very important. So I did mention in that video to take time, plan time to rest. Rest has quite a number of benefits on the body, and the very first one is that repair and recover, the healing
Abilities.
the healing of the body. Because without the body, every other thing you want to achieve in this world is not possible. You have to utilize this body to take you from place to place, to actualize your dreams and the visions in your heart. So it's very important to take time to rest.
For most of us, we almost like we can't afford to rest. And we hustle and hustle from year to year, from month to month without rest.
Rest reduces stress. Rest will enhance your productivity. Yes, and boost your creativity and generally promote well-being. It is this state of health that helps us to be able to become the true meaning of success all round, not only in terms of finances, not only in terms of money, but truly successful in all areas of living. That is true success. So I'm hoping that you have incorporated rest into your week, into your months, into your year this year, and watch how your life begins to shape even into a better version of yourself. And that's the essence of this channel. We want to help ourselves to grow into the best version of ourselves that is possible by learning all the various information skills that will help us to come to that place. I thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you again in the next one.